all, there is a test. It's only 10 questions, and definitely we will have to solve these. So please, if you have a paper with you, pen and paper is required, and you must have also the calculator. Okay, just get the paper, yeah, the pen. Now, have you at that time? Yes.
Yep, I got
Okay.
him. I got him.
Okay. So I'm just going to share this slides for you. I'm sure that you can see now. Let's see. This one is the all about the test. A very brief test for this, so you will come to know that what is the scoring. Now let's see. This is all about the what you can say mathematics, and all these instructions are written, and these are very what we can say solve each problem and choose the correct answer and fill up all those ovals, so as many as you can. So these were all those old instructions. Anyhow, we are starting the first question. So this is, now you can solve, you can make use of paper, pen and the calculator. So function fx is defined as fx is equal to minus 8x square. What is the value of minus 3?
Okay.
Choices are f minus 73. Meanwhile, you can work out. Okay, this is 72 plus and 192 and this, and the last one is this. So
Okay,
what's
my
your...
answer is -72.
Okay, let's see. It's absolutely right. So you can count your tick also. Put the tick
Oh, yeah.
somewhere at the end. You will have to count them. Let's see. The next question is that's coming over here. That is, if r is equal to 9, b is equal to 5, and g is equal to -6, what does r plus b plus g multiplied b plus g? So these are the two expressions. You will have to put the values and you will have to get the answer. It's very simple. It was the previous question of the old papers of ACT exam. So -20. Meanwhile, you can also get your answer on the paper
Yeah.
making use of the calculator. And so these are the all possible choices. So you have a time to just
Yeah. -8.
-8. Let's see if it's a -8. Absolutely right. So one more is the correct answer. So you can add one more tick to your scoring. Anyhow, we are just moving to the next one. So it is just like that. The solution set of which of the following equations is a set of the real numbers that are 5 units from -3? So the choices are that this is the modulus value of x plus 3 is 5, and the second choice is that x minus 3 modulus is equal to 5, and similarly x plus 5 is equal to 3. The second last choice is x minus 5 is equal to 3. The last choice is x plus 5 is equal to -3. So it's just like a modulus equation, that x plus 3 mod, and you have all these choices. So you can solve also, and you can get the answer right over there.
Right.
But anyhow,
Okay. So
the choices are available.
okay, 5 units from -3. F.
So let's see, out of these, you will have to select.
Yeah, I said the first one. So F.
Okay, let's see. That's absolutely correct. Because it's a what we can say that when we are talking about the absolute value, so we'll have to take care of the positive and the negative sign, but it is always positive. So 5 is taken as a positive because it's a mod. Anyhow, let's see, we are moving to the next question. So far you are doing well and all the answers are correct. So in the equation x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0. M and n are the integers. The only possible value of x is minus 3. What is the value of m? So here, what is the value of m? We are looking for the value of m. Anyhow, the choices are also available. A is 3, B minus 3, C, the third choice is 6, and you can go for minus 6 also. It's a possible choice. The last one is 9. So the
Okay.
quadratic equation is given, x is minus 3. You can put in the equations, and what should be the value of m. So let's
Okay.
see if you can solve this. So it's your choice.
What is the value?
So what is the answer?
Okay. I'm gonna go with A.
Okay. Now let's see. It's a 6. Actually, what you will have to do, that's a minus 3. If you are putting in the equation, in this given equation, you will get 9, and
Right?
this is minus
Minus
3m,
3M.
minus
Yeah.
3m. So this 9 will go on the other side, and you are looking for only m.
Right.
So this is minus 9, and this is what we can say, forget about the n, because we are not looking for the n. So
Okay.
that's why this is what we can say, minus 9 and minus 3m. So m is equal to, when you will get this, so you will have to solve this. Actually, let me share my, what I can
Yeah, it'll
say.
be probably better if
Okay,
you
okay,
share
okay.
that.
There is something wrong. What I mean to say, let me just talk about this equation was, I am just sharing my whiteboard. So this equation was, what was this equation? X square, x square, and
X squared plus what do you
plus
call
what?
it? MX
Plus, plus mx
plus N is equal to 0.
plus n is equal to 0. And he was saying that x is equal to minus 3. So here we will get 9 if you are putting back that. And this is what we can say, minus 3m. It's a negative sign. Minus 3m and plus n, if you are just putting that. So what we will have to get that. So minus 3m, and this is minus n, minus 9 minus n,
Right.
and m is equal to, what is that, minus 9 minus n, and this is a minus 3. So actually we are getting this is the value of m, because how can
Well,
we, how can we ignore this n?
I guess you can't do right?
Okay, so there is something wrong. Anyhow,
Yeah,
uh,
that was yeah, I got to that point, so I just chose
okay,
to
okay,
leave
okay,
because
okay, okay. Something wrong. So let it go. I will check it, that what's wrong with this. But anyhow, we were there once again. That the test is this one, and what they were talking about. Let's see once again. that in the equation x square plus mx plus n is equal to 0, m and n are integers, the only possible value of x is minus 3. What is the value of m? Anyhow, we will check it. It's something is wrong with this question. But anyhow, we are just coming with the new one. So, what is the sum of the first four terms of the arithmetic sequence in which the sixth
You're
term
not
is
sharing
okay, okay,
screen.
okay, okay. Let me. Once again, I will have to check it because I have just started that. Uh, okay, so share and now let's see. I'm sure that you can see now. Are you looking my screen?
Yep, now it's loading.
Okay, so here the question will come just like that. What is the sum of the first four terms of the arithmetic sequence in which the sixth term is 8 and the 10th term is 13? So definitely you will have to solve that. It's a slightly difficult, that may be beyond the scope of your learning. But anyhow, you can make a try. Otherwise, I will solve for you.
I'll try it.
Okay, if you can try. So, what is the sum of the first four terms of the arithmetic sequence in which the sixth term is 8 and the 10th term is 13? And we are looking for the sum of the first four terms. So, what should be the answer? So, you can make the arithmetic sequence. You can use the formula. Uh, let me, one thing is this, that let me check it. Let's suppose the arithmetic sequence is given, and for the nth term, that is the sum of the four. What is the sum of the first four terms of the arithmetic sequence in which sixth term is? So T6, what I mean to say, sixth term is A1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is actually the formula for the n term. We are looking for 6, so we can just put over here 6. So T6, what I mean to say, the sixth term is A1, the first term, and this plus 5D. And T6, actually that is given, the sixth term is 8. So we can replace this one as 8. Are you looking my screen?
Yeah,
Hello?
but I don't know if I've ever done this before.
Okay, okay. 8 is equal to A1 plus 5D. And similarly, the 10th term is, that is 13, that is T, and A1, and that is 9D. What I mean to say, this one. So because there is a general formula. Now from here, we can get rid of this if we are just going to minus this one. So 5 is equal to 4D. 5 is equal to 4D. So D is equal to 5 over 4. So from this D, we can get the first term also. If we can get the first term, so we can get the 4, 5, 6, first, second, third, and fourth. And we can get the sum. So
Okay.
anyhow, I think it's beyond your scope of study. Am I right? You never
Okay.
gone through these type of the question.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. We are just leaving it, and we will solve that. It will take a time, and just to recall all those things about the arithmetic sequence. Anyhow, it's a difficult one, so we are just moving to the next slide. Next question. So the question is, the answer was 14.5, but anyhow, uh, I will have to solve that. I will just note it and I will solve that. Anyhow, we are just moving to the next question. So this one is, in triangle ABC, the sum of the measure of angle A and angle B is 47. What is the measure of angle C? So the choices are 47, 86, and 94, and 133, and the last one is 143. So which is your answer?
Wait, the
Once
sum of
again,
measures of angle A and angle B is 47. 180 minus 41. It's asking for C, right? So
you can
180
get the
minus.
answer.
Yeah. Just making sure I got 180 minus. Yeah, okay, should be. Yeah, I got 133.
Oh, yes, absolutely right. Because the sum of the three angles of any triangle is 180. So if you are recalling that, so you will get the answer. Absolutely right. So 180 minus 47 is definitely 133. So it's a very simple question. Now the next is, let's see what is next. So discount tickets to a basketball tournament sell for uh, $4 each. And so spent $60 in discount tickets $37.5 less than if we had bought the ticket at the regular price. What was the regular ticket price? So you will have to make the calculation. Choices are in front of you, and
Okay.
these are the
So,
choices. You are looking for the actual price.
right.
Discount
Um,
tickets to a basketball tournament. Discount price is $4 each. 60.
6.50.
$6.50. Let's see. This was your choice, and absolutely right. So the total 15 tickets, and definitely you can add this money to this amount, and you can divide. You will get the answer. Anyhow, it was a right answer, and you have scored one more tick to your final scores. Anyhow, coming to the next. A rectangle has an area of 32 square feet and a perimeter of 24 feet. What is the shortest of the side lengths in feet of the rectangle? So actually we are looking for the breadth or the width of that. But anyhow, the choices are given to you. You can also solve. You have a paper, calculator and pen with you, and you can solve that. A rectangle
Okay.
has an area, you know the formula of area, length into breadth,
Yeah.
and perimeter twice of the sum of the length and the breadth. So what is the shortest? That is the, we are looking for breadth, the b, using all these two numbers.
The shortest of the side of length. The-
Shortest is the b, that is the breadth of the rectangle.
Right. The shortest is 4.
4. Let's see. Absolutely right. So this is, these type of the questions are coming over there. So what I am doing, that I am just going through the old papers of these two exam. These are the SAT and ACT, and selecting all those questions, then copying over here and putting these questions to you. That is last 5-year papers. Okay. So that's why these are the real questions which are continuously coming in the last 5 years. Anyhow, this was a very simple question, isn't it?
Right.
So the length of rectangle is 3 times the length of a smaller rectangle. The two rectangles have the same width. The area of the smaller rectangle is a square units. The area of the larger rectangle is k time of a square units. Which of the following is the value of k? 1 over 9, 1 over 3, 1 g 3 or 9. So you will have to select your answer from these 5 options. Just
Okay.
visualize length of rectangle is 3 times the length of smaller rectangle. There are two rectangles
Right.
have the same width, same width.
Two. Okay.
Length is 3 times of the smaller rectangle.
Yeah. So that would be x and 3x. And then the area of the smaller triangle is a square units. 2a. And the area of the larger rectangle is ka square units. So, and then is equal to ka units. Which of the following is the value of k? Okay, so that would be, it'd be 3.
Okay, okay. Yes, absolutely right. Good. Moving to the next question, that is lines P and N lie in the standard XY coordinate plane. The equation for line P is y is equal to 0.12x plus 3000. The slope of the line is 0.1 greater than the slope of line P. What is the slope of line N? So two lines having the equations given the slopes and the choices are here. We are looking for the slope of the line N. So you can draw, you can visualize these two lines. You can read the question is in front of you.
Okay, so 0.01. Oh, h.
So your answer is 0.22.
Yeah.
Am I right? Okay. Just absolutely right. Getting the right answer. So it's all about y is equal to mx plus c. And if you can put the right values, we'll get the answer. Anyhow, it's a correct answer. Well done. So let's see. The graph of y is equal to minus 5x square plus 9 passes through 1 and 2a in the standard xy coordinate plane. What is the value of a? So this
Okay.
point lies on the given equation.
Right.
So we are looking for a. So the choices are 2, 4, 7, minus 1. The last is minus 8. So you can solve. You have a paper and pen and calculator. So you can make the calculation. You can get the right answer. Anyhow, the choices are also given.
Okay. So
1 and 2a lies on the given line.
Right. I'm just trying to figure this out real quick. Um,
What is a? A is so simple. You will
okay,
have
so
to plug on the values in the given equation. For y, 2a, for x, 1.
so wait, let me see this real quick. So it'd be what is it, 1 comma 2a. Okay.
Put this point to the line. Each and every y will be replaced with 2a and each x is replaced by 1. So state where 2a is equal to minus 5 plus 9, 2a is equal to 4, a is equal to what? I don't want to tell you.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 2.
Yes, absolutely right. So that was all about what you are doing over here. Because this line is passing through this point, so y is 2a. So put 2a over here,
Yeah.
minus 5, x is 1, 9. So 2a is equal to 4 after solving this, and a is equal to 4 divided by 2. 2 is the answer, absolutely right answer. So you will have to be quick about all these simple questions. Anyhow, uh, please read this statement
Sure.
also. It's a very lengthy one.
Jerome, Kevin, and Seth shared a submarine sandwich. Jerome ate half the sandwich. Kevin ate the half of the sandwich, and Seth ate the rest. What's the ratio of Jerome share to Kevin share to Seth share?
Okay,
Okay.
so this is in the order K S J K S. Anyhow, these are the possible choices.
Okay. So half is what is that? Jerome, and then half is a third. Actually, no, four. On two. Okay, I'm going with A.
A. Okay, let's see. So choice is this one. 3, 2, 1. Actually, the question is a little tricky one in the sense that 1 by 2 of the sandwich, 1 by 2 of the sandwich, and at the rest. What is the ratio of JKS? So 3 to 1. Anyhow, we will solve that later on, but anyhow, that was a wrong choice. Next is okay.
All right, I'm gonna let it go through first and then I'll read it. So, the sides of a square are 3 centimeter long. One
Yes.
vertex of the square is at 2, 0, and then the other on a square coordinate grade marked in the centimeter units. Which of the following points could also be a vertex of the square? Okay.
This, 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 or this. We have the 5 options.
Okay.
It's a square, all the sides are equal.
Yeah.
One vertex is lying at 2, 0. That 2 unit from the origin along the x-axis, and the second one is on the
Okay. Oh, I got
x-axis.
5, 0 already. So I'll go with K.
Okay, okay, let's see. Absolutely right. Good. So next is, let's see. So let's see. Answer this, 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 all this. Please read the
Okay.
question.
Kaya wants to install a new circular stained glass window in her living room. The design of the window will be identical to that of the panel. The diameter of the new window will be 75% longer than the diameter of the panel. The new window will be how many feet in diameter? Diameter of the new window will be 75% longer. Um, okay, I'm
Uh,
gonna go with
yes,
J.
J. Okay, let's see. Correct. Absolutely correct answer. So I just moving to the very fast. Okay. Please read the statement.
Sure. For every hour that Marissa spends making frames in the second week of December each year, she donates $3 from that week's profit to a local charity. This year, Marissa made 4 large frames and 2 small frames in that week. Which of the following is closest to the percentage of that week's profit that Marissa donated to charity? Okay, so every hour, second week of December each year donates three. All right, I'm gonna go with C.
Okay, C is absolutely right answer. So this is all about that. So we will continue that. I think the next part of our presentation is about the laws of logarithm. So tomorrow we will
Okay.
do that because that needs the a bit explanation all about that. But anyhow, all these lessons and such like these, there are so many, almost more than 800 lessons are uploaded over there on this YouTube channel. So you can go at anybody can just visit to get the his topic over there. Anyhow, so it's a time to say Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much. Anything else you want to say or you want to share? You want to ask?
No, not really.
So tomorrow, inshallah, we will talk about the a few more laws about the logarithm, and we will
Okay.
talk about the graphing of the logarithmic functions, and then you will be in a better position to solve all those graphs and the equation, logarithmic equation. Anyhow, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Office.